Alright, now that we have that structure over here in here, we are going to do the background. So in the original drawing, I have like this, you could make it into a mountain, or I decided to make it into trees in the background, and then like the trees get smaller, the tree line goes way back into space back here. So to do that, it's really not that difficult. You're just gonna kind of draw like not these perfect lines, but just draw this shape here. And okay. And then the tree line, you can see, cuts off the tracks about right here. Right here. Which is fine. I actually wanted to do that. I want to hide the vanishing point now. Okay, because now we got everything that we need going to the vanishing point. So at this point, we're going to get rid of the horizon line, we're going to get rid of the vanishing point, and it's going to look like a real scene now. Because obviously in a real scene, you wouldn't see a line coming through it like that. Now, to draw it, to like fill that in, you're just going to kind of, there's really no right or wrong way to do it. It's trees, so you may want to like do it like circular, like this. You know, to give it that. You know, maybe you don't want to do it like this, because that may look too jagged. So if you do it circular like this, it'll look like, you know, tree leaves in the background. And you just do that value. It's really the same value because it's so far away you're not going to see all the little details and stuff that you'll see, you know, like this, because it's so close to you. So yeah, just like I said, there's really no right or wrong way to do this. You kind of just fill it in, really. Again, you know, strategy might be just doing it in these circular motion, because that's a little softer. It takes the edge off. You know, if you draw like this, like it has like a hard edge, and you may not want that, because it's trees. Trees don't have a hard edge, really, because it's just a bunch of leaves and sticks and stuff. So now this is kind of tricky a little bit, because we're kind of coming to where the telephone poles are, and obviously you don't want those to just go away, because those are the closest thing to you, so you want to make sure that they stick out. So you might want to go, at least at first, a little bit lighter. Because then you can then outline these a lot darker when you get to that point. But we're not going to worry about that yet. There we go. So now we kind of have our space set up. You know, the tracks kind of go like this, and maybe there's like a hill. Maybe they go down a hill or something like that, and they disappear into the distance. So that's why the trees cover it up. Now, what you can do at this point is come in with your finger and just kind of blend everything in. And kind of spread around the graphite. Just so it's a little smoother. And you can come back in and maybe you can make some of these places a little bit darker. Again, look at the drawing that I gave you guys to draw from to get all your details squared away. That way you're not guessing, because you'll be able to do this, you know, as with practice. With practice, you'll kind of learn more, and you'll be able to do more without observation. But observation is essential at this stage for you guys. You gotta always look as much as you can. Alright. So that's that. That is that step. I think I'm going to move on to the next one. So that's how to get that general tree background. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to be, you know, specific, because it's far away, you don't see the details. So, alright. Next.